Hey guys and gals, I didn't get a whole lot of video recorded, so I did attach some pictures so you can check them out here in the video. We'll put those right here. Check them out. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up bell for notifications. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you've been down there, Destin, Okaloosa Island area, leave me a comment. Let me know what is your favorite place to be at. See you next time.
Did you just cuss?
Here's the kiddos having fun with the s'mores at the bonfire.